Hello friends, welcome back to our problem-solving series. In this video, we will explore how you can experiment with different camera movement speeds to discover what works best for your creative vision. So let's dive in. It all begins with a simple setting on your camera, 1/10 of a second. And here is the secret. You don't have to change a single camera settings to create a diverse array of images. All you need to do is vary the speed and direction of your camera movement. Let me show you what I mean. Our first example is a cluster of tall trees. In this instance, I employed a vertical camera movement. Opting for swifter camera movement introduces more distortion, imbuing my compositions with a dynamic and surreal quality. Conversely, slower camera movements preserve more details. But remember that the slower you pan your camera, the more challenging it becomes to maintain a straight movement. Similarly, horizontal movement can be employed to highlight the vastness and expansiveness of the sea when shooting seascapes. Fast camera movement creates well-defined straight lines, while slower camera movement will introduce more texture. Let's now move to a landscape. In this case, slower movements result in a dreamlike quality where the landscape appears to flow and merge, creating an ethereal, almost surreal atmosphere. When photographing people, the pace of your camera's movement also significantly influences the final result. A slower camera movement creates an ethereal, almost ghostly effect, blurring the subject and surroundings to varying degrees. In contrast, a quicker camera movement yields more sharply defined figures, providing greater clarity. As you can see from these examples, finding the right balance is essential to creating engaging and visually pleasing content. Now that we explore different camera movement speeds, it's time for you to find your sweet spot. The key here is to practice, experiment, and analyze the results. Start by understanding the mood and emotions you want to convey in your shots. Decide on overall atmosphere you want to create, whether it's calm and peaceful, energetic and exciting, or something in between. Consider the subject you are shooting. Some scenes may require slower movements to capture more details, while others may require quick movements. Now here is where the lens choice becomes essential in intentional camera movement. Wide-angle lenses are ideal for capturing sweeping landscapes or scenes that emphasize the environment's vastness. They excel at adding depth and scale to your images. Wide-angle lenses are forgiving when it comes to camera movement. Their broader field of view allows for more extensive and slower movements. On the other hand, if you opt for a telephoto lens, every movement becomes exaggerated. So smaller and faster camera movements are recommended. Now imagine the creative possibilities when you combine those variations. So the next time you are out there with your camera, remember to consider both the speed of your camera movement and the lens you are choosing. It might just be the missing piece that transforms your ordinary shots into extraordinary masterpieces. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What camera movement speed do you prefer, and why? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this photographic journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more photography tips and tutorials. In the next episode, we will look at another problem: inconsistent results. Until next time, let your creativity flow and may every shot be a masterpiece.